Voila. Laat zien wat maar op staat. Hier. Dat is 15 weer, denk ik. Roep maar in plek van te bellen. Smet er niet aan. Komt al een achterop, als nog een van boven. Mooi. Ai. Hij komt ook sleet binnen. Dan zitten die daar te kijken. Ah, hier nog twee. Nog draaien. Ja, maar ik zie dat ze het doen. Oké, de nauwe zeker. Die is nog niet muzen. Wat is er van die om precies? Ah, betwijfelijk. Dat is niet goed. So the first race just got done, 100k. You saw about 10 pigeons, I think, maybe a little more. But yeah, you could see that the old birds arrived before the young ones, generally speaking. So yeah, we are also having some issues with the top lofts registering plates. They don't want to register the pigeons half the time, so yeah, gotta look into that. But yeah, now we're still waiting for 200k, and I believe we have one or two stragglers from 100. But yeah, we have one bird on 200k, and it's the one that flew the third prize 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Ja, staat er al op. I'm gonna open up this little door here so he can go with his kid in here, just like that. Where is he? So yeah, that was the last one. Oh, that's him. So yeah, stay tuned for the results. So we got the results here now. So yeah, I think they split it up into young birds and old birds, but I'm not sure, did they? Oh no, that is just combined, so yeah. This will be young birds and old birds. Looks like a young bird won instead of an old bird. So yeah, we actually didn't do good at all. We only got one prize, and it's on the back of the sheet. It's the grizzle from upstairs in the top loft. Still amazed that even though that loft is very unhealthy, they fly better than the young birds, which can only mean one thing, that the other ones, the young birds, are just not in shape. So yeah, we got one bird out of 14 birds. We would have had two if that other old birds chipped, but they didn't. The registering system kind of broke, so he was like 2.5 minutes later. But yeah, not the greatest with the old birds either, but you know that the loft is really unhealthy, as you guys know. But we are working on that, so it should be a little better next week. And yeah, we're actually doing a lot of thinning right now, having to look at the results for all the young birds, and we'll get rid of some of the not so good performing ones. Same with some breeders are gonna go as well. Maybe some old birds already, not sure. But yeah, there definitely will be some thinning going on in the young bird loft and the breeders as well. Might make a video on that coming sometime soon, we'll see. But yeah, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and have a good day.